Have you ever wondered what actually makes that sound when you crack your knuckles?
You see, inside your joints, there is a special lubricant called synovial fluid. When you stretch or bend your finger, you are actually pulling the bones apart, which increases the space in the joint. This sudden expansion creates negative pressure, pulling dissolved gases, like nitrogen, out of the fluid to... That bubble effectively collapses, or pops, to fill the vacuum. That is the sound you hear. This is also why you can't crack the same knuckle twice immediately. The gas needs time to dissolve back into the fluid. And if you want to know how the rest of your body works, make sure to subscribe.